We continue training all throughout the times we're out here, even back in the rear. I had my team leaders train if I wasn't able to. They were training all the soldiers equally. We actually got together as a platoon most of the time and had either at least one squad leader there training everybody. And if we couldn't have a squad leader there, most of the team leaders were there and they would train the most senior team leader. Let's say, they don't bring IPRO or something, we do a shotgun breach and splinters, even though if they're supposed to be looking away for it, they don't look away, and they catch a splinter in the eye. It could be something as simple as that could be prevented with IPRO, ear pro, gloves, stuff like that. Nobody got hurt. That's the main goal really for me at a live fire. And we accomplished the mission.